Hi Virgo, welcome back at gawin na natin ang inyong general love reading sa buwan ng March 2024. Current energy check-in to at maaaring mag-resonate to into the next 3 to 6 months. Like I always say, collective reading to, hindi to personal reading. So maaaring mag-resonate to certain groups, maaaring hindi mag-resonate to some of you. So it only means hindi para sa inyo ang reading na ito, and maybe I will tap into your energy next month. Okay? As simple as that, kasi iba nag-unsubscribe but they don't understand really kung ano ang collective reading. Okay? It's different. Kasi china-channel natin dito energy for certain or particular group, alright, of people. It doesn't have to be magre-resonate sa inyo lahat ng readings every month. Okay? So, take whatever resonates. Ngayon, kukuha tayo ng limang baraha sa tarot deck na to. And ika-clarify natin later on ng oracle card na ginamit natin kanina para makuha natin yung buong narrative ng inyong collective reading for whoever will resonate on this Virgo. Okay? Shuffle ko lang. Ulit. Alright. Okay, I think okay na to. Okay. Card number 1 mo, meron kang Knight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini energy yan. And then, meron kang Two of Wands. And then, meron kang Ace of Swords, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini energy again. And then, Five of Swords. Ang daming swords, no? So, out of 4, meron ka ng 3. And lastly, meron kang 10 of Pentacles. Okay. So, tingnan muna natin from the get-go. Right now, hindi pa tayo gumagawa ng decision or stuck tayo na gumawa ng decision as of now. Why? Why is that? Although, alam mo na meron dito kasi na nagkapalitan ng masasamang salita. Nag-aaway, di magkasundo, di nagkakaunawaan. Okay, more on communication issue. Okay, where yung isa masyadong masakit magsalita na parang feeling nila they win over you or other way around. Okay? So, merong hindi pagkakaunawaan. But still, in spite or despite of that, no, merong isang tao dito, could be you or them, na ayaw mo ng or nalilito kung saan ang best route to take. Sabihin natin ganon. But at the same time, don't you worry, either may clarity or news na makakatulong sa'yo para maliwanagan tayo. Nandiyan ng Ace of Swords, could be communication also. Okay? Coming dito kay Knight of Swords. So, could be, no? Yung Five of Swords and Ace of Swords na to, maaaring manggaling dito kay Knight of Swords na to. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini energy. Pwedeng ikaw to, pwedeng yung person mo, no? Na pag nagsalita or nag-deliver, it comes with truth and clarity, although minsan masakit. Minsan sharp, minsan nakakasakit ng loob. Okay? But at the same time, nandito ang 10 of Pentacles. Okay? So, ang 10 of Pentacles, it could either be ang news or information na to or disappointment na to something to do with commitment, long-term commitment, longevity, or mga long-term plans about sa connection. But we will see, no, Gemini? Clarify natin, isa-isa yung mga cards mo, Gemini. General love reading to. Current energy check-in for March all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? Alright. So, yung Knight of Swords mo, nandiyan si Truth. You cannot make this up. Swords about communication and truth, andyan si Maat for truth. Okay? And then, ang Two of Wands, nandyan si adaptability. Okay? In alignment, no? Yung mga na-channel nating messages before this. Si Hestia Home, Ace of Swords. Sa Five of Swords, nandiyan si Rebirth. And then, si Ten of Pentacles, the past. Okay? So, sabihin natin before, in the past, sa nakaraan, no, medyo, either may issue or stable ang relationship na to and commitment. Okay? So, I felt strongly kilala mo na tong taong to. Currently connecting or you connected before with them. Okay? Ngayon itong si Knight of Swords, may news or may dala tong information, no? And ang first sabi ko sa inyo, communication. Could be truth, could be harsh truth, could be information or news, but yeah, it will speak coming from their honesty. Okay? So, yung person na to, pag nakipag-communicate sa'yo, you expect mo na maging honest sila. Or it could be you also sa kanila. Okay? Wala tong bullshit, wala tong itatago sa'yo. Pag nakipag-communicate to, or ma-receive mo tong news na to. Okay? Something na factual siya, or reliable. Okay? Ngayon, yung sinasabi kong stuck ka, na gumawa ng decision, or path to take, no, kailangan mong mas maging adaptable sa mga changing situations, sa highs and lows, no, up and down, high tide or low tide man yan, no, kasi, like, ang moon, iba-ibang phases, iba-ibang eclipses, so, you need to embrace crossroads, okay, hindi pwedeng forever tayong stuck, kailangan gumawa ka ng decision making, inaano ka dito, ina-encourage ka, okay, may dalawang path to take, isa lang ang pwede mong gawin, or sundin, ng intuition mo, ng puso mo, isang decision lang kailangan mong piliin. So, be more adaptable daw sa mga changing situations. Like, let's say, kung nasa terrain ka, gusto mong mas patag ang daan, then doon ka sa mas patag ang daan. Kung gusto mo naman na nasa terrain ka, naka-BMX ka, parang ganon, so, pumunta ka sa terrain na yan, pero, may sakay ka na BMX, so parang nag-a-adapt ka kasi maganda yung bike mo. So, you know, simple analogy, pero you get the point, di ba? Sa Ace of Swords, clarity, no? Yung clarity na to, feeling ko, or yung news na to, or new communication na to, I felt strongly na magbibigay sa'yo ng relief. Nandiyan ang home, eh. May sense of warmth siya, and relief at aid, no? Kasi ang home, di ba, ano ba siya? Fortress natin, refuge natin. So, sabihin natin, ang information na to, kahit truth yan, I will say hindi harsh. Okay? It's comforting, it's warm. May sense of home or belongingness. Okay? Yung communication na maaaring, it will take you back doon sa mga good times, no? Maaaring ganun din. Alright? Take whatever resonates here. It feels old. Yung energy na yan na parang napakasaya. It's warm. It's old. Something na nostalgic. Kasi nandiyan yung feeling of home and belongingness missing. Someone parang yung communication na will take you back to yesteryears or for old time's sake, no? Parang reunion din. Or reconnect nga. Pag-uusapan niyo yung mga good times. Parang ganon. Sa Five of Swords, like I said, no? May isa dyan na parang siya yung nakakasakit most of the time. Yung isa is parang nasasakta masyadong sensitive or talaga lang masakit lang talaga magsalita yung isa or may misunderstanding. Basta lagi dito ang ending is that may isang nananalo, may isang natatalo. Okay? But don't you worry daw kasi may rebirth dyan. In every disappointments, difficulties, or trials, no, may chances. Hindi ko kayo pinapaasa pero nandiyan ang Five of Swords sa communication. So, mabubuhay at mabubuhay ang komunikasyon mo sa taong to. Nandiyan ang Ace of Swords, nandiyan ang Knight of Swords. Truth and home. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, may sense of longingness. No, yung Ace of Swords mo. Although yung clarity na yan, it speaks of truth. Pero still, it's not harsh. Okay? It won't be harsh. Baka, kasi, pag nag-communicate tong si Five of Swords, in the past, no, may problem sa communication dito. Okay, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, energy could be you or them, pero since ikaw yan, Gemini, air element, so it could be you. Pwede ko sinasabi, maaaring yung person mo rin to. No, may rebirth sa communication. There is a chance to talk. Okay? Magkakaroon kayo ng pag-uusap dito about the way kayo mag-usap before. Tignan mga andang misunderstanding which is kailangang ayusin. Okay? Now, yung Ten of Pentacles mo, Gemini, galing yan sa past. Okay? Maaaring related to sa commitment in the past with this person, maaaring hindi nabigay, maaaring may disagreement lang sa, or you're not on the same page with this person, you want A, and then gusto nyo ng B. Okay? So, it has something to do with commitment. Commitment ang naging issue or problema dito, baka nagfa-fluctuate on and off din, or maaari din sa nakaraan, may karelasyon ka na committed kayo, or stable, pero hindi na ganun ka secure or stable. May mga doubts, kaya nandiyan si Two of Wands. Okay, but ang key dito is magkakaroon ng rebirth sa communication and don't mess up tong communication na to. But I felt strongly na it could be you or them, pero it's more like an advice, don't mess up this communication kasi I think na may chance pa naman tong ma-salvage. Okay? So sana nag-resonate kayo sa reading nyo, Virgo, sa month na to, current energy check-in for March 2024 sa inyong general love reading. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, Virgo. Mahal ko kayo. God bless. Bye!